Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Chainlink card on Revolut. It's very easy to do. I'm going to show you step by step. Basically, you just have to open up your Revolut account, go to the home page. On the home page, go to the top right corner to open up the cards menu. This is where you can see all your debit cards. It doesn't matter which types of cards you have. It works with any cards. So just basically open one of your cards and go to settings. In the settings menu, the first option is going to be the one that we need. This is spend from. And with this feature, you can select the specific balance, account, wallet, or anything that you want to be using and want to charge for your payments. And if you select Chainlink, from now, this card is going to be a Chainlink card, meaning that for any payment, it is going to charge your Chainlink balance on Revolut. Please consider sending a super thanks donation if this video was helpful.